crazy. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, my beautiful YouTube family? I wanted to bring y'all a different type of video today. As y'all know, I done had this beautiful cat named Dope Boy for the last 4 years now. I gotta look at the exact date, but 4 years now, and I haven't done a POV in the life of. So that's what we're here to do today, y'all. Cat, just like any other Mopar, you're gonna hit your lock once. That's my alarm. Double tap. Starts, you just press your button one time and that gets everything going. So my switches, my stars down here, that's for my headlights, and turn on my interior lights. Don't talk about me, you guys, I don't got my socks on yet. Literally just walked out of the house. Slide your Mopar, you see that message that says service active dampening. If you slide your car, you're gonna have that message, and that's basically from the shock in the front. Mopar comes with like a wire that sticks out, and it always gets caught up when you decide to do donuts. So that's the service active dampening. Other than that, turn my headlights on so what y'all hear or see. Let the car idle up about 3 minutes. It's about, I want to say 70 some degrees. No, it's actually 81 degrees outside right now. So with that being said, these cars, and any car, you want to make sure that you let them idle up at least 3, 4, 5 minutes, depending how cold it is outside. The cars are direct fuel injection, but just for the longevity, just to make sure, you know, everything cycles through, you know, you want to make sure you let your car warm up. I feel like that's going to be the reason why this car has lasted me so long. As you guys can see, it's 56,000 miles on this vehicle, and I've done pretty much everything I've ever wanted to do with the car. From sliding, to racing, to car shows, to pulling out, sideways, you know, all the good stuff that you want to do with your car. The only thing that I can say for a fact that I feel like protected this car is just the fact that I do oil changes every 10,000 miles, even though some people do them earlier. Every 10,000 miles, I have the pretty much a diff brace on it. It's the AAD, I believe. It costs like 400 bucks. Don't get the $200 one. Don't get the three. Get the one that's the best one for it. Because that's what I did. And like I said, I've been racing. I've been doing all kind of stuff in the car. You know, as far as the suspension goes, didn't break. So now for the fun stuff. Right now I'm on eco mode. 40. I'm just gonna stomp it. Right now I got a GoPro on, so I'm not driving and doing both things. So I'm gonna stomp it right here. See, it took a while to load up, right? So we're gonna switch it over to sport mode, which is my favorite mode. We're at 40 right now. I'm just gonna stomp it. Hello, Linda. Big difference, right? Big difference. Now, one thing I do want to talk about is it getting stolen. So, pretty much the main thing with these cars, if you own a Hellcat or Scat Pack or ZL1, you just want to make sure that you're not going anywhere that you can't see your car at any second. So with that being said, when you pick a restaurant, you want a restaurant that if you got to park on the street, you got a street view, you know, you can see your car. So if anything's going on, you can, you know, hit the alarm to spook them or go outside, do whatever you feel like you need to do. But the number one thing is, you know, being safe. So you want to be cautious and mindful of where you're going. If they got parking decks as parking, you want to stay away from those. So it's going to make you want to and have to get a secondary car. Regardless if it's a hoopty or whatever, you're going to want another car so you're able to go wherever you want to and not have to think about your car getting stolen, pretty much. My car, this one personally, they tried to steal it 4 times. It was 3 times in the city. One time, a stupid, dumb mistake leaving it somewhere I shouldn't have, which I didn't think it would happen, but it did. Every time I had our kill switch that we sell at the shop on it, and they weren't able to take it. Of course, they vandalized the window 3 times. One time was the doorknob over here. I'm sorry, the door handle that they bust into. And yeah, so you want to be very careful when it goes to that. And of course, I could tell you, you know, get your kill switch, get your the little crossbar thing for the door handle, get an alarm. I could tell you to get everything because we sell all that stuff. But ultimately, at the end of the day, if they want your car, they're going to get it one way or another, even if they drag it. And then as y'all have seen on some of these YouTube videos, if they can't get it, now they're getting to a point that they shoot at the car because they're frustrated that they couldn't get the car. Now, the other thing, important thing I want to touch on is police. So I'd be lying to you if I told you that the police, this wasn't a police magnet. It's 100% a police magnet, like no way around it. So if you get it, just make sure your stuff's straight, man, because you're gonna get pulled over. And don't smoke in your cars. Don't do drugs, period, ladies and gentlemen. But if you're gonna do whatever you're gonna do because you're grown as hell, just be smart with it. And if you own a Hellcat, a Charger, Challenger, whatever, you got a police magnet, man. So just be mindful of what you're doing. Now, speaking of police, there's 2 of them right there. Look at that. Who y'all waiting on? And it'd be funny if he pulled out on me right now. But pretty much, oh, he turned the light on. He did. He is about to pull out. Oh my God, he's about to pull out on me, y'all. It's so funny. I'm doing a YouTube video talking about police following me, and they pull out on me. It's crazy. Yep. So they just doing their job, man. But like I said, if you see, he ain't hitting the U-turn because he's going right back to where he was. So like I said, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't want to get harassed by the police or whatever, if you don't want to be followed or make them run your information or whatever, this is not the car for you. As y'all can see, this is not the car for you. Everything on this car, of course, is legit. I don't do a damn thing. So many eyes on me is ridiculous. If I was doing something, I would have, woo-wee. Anyways, but that's the main thing. I don't even have to say no more as far as the police aspect of it, you guys. But another thing I want to touch on, car shows. Of course, any car show you go to, you can have a bone stock Hellcat, absolutely nothing done to it, and you're gonna steal the show. 9 times out of 10, unless you go to, you know, like a real car show. But if you had a Park and Chill or anything similar like that, you're gonna steal the show 100%. It's time for y'all to just enjoy the sounds. Man, how can you not love that, man? Just playing with the gears. That thing just crying, little crybaby. Wouldn't be a true Hellcat video without a good old tunnel pull. y'all. So I think that's enough fun for today with the kizzy. As y'all see, it done started raining on the side here. We got enough fun for the day though. So we got a few little pulls in the cat. We got a little bit of sliding. We got a little bit of almost getting pulled over. I think it was a pretty successful Hellcat day. That's literally a Hellcat day, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of almost falling trying to get the video. You know, shout out to my boy Chino, man. So hey, if y'all like the video, if y'all want me to make another video talking about certain topics, which I'm sure I am. I'm sure there's a lot of stuff that I missed out on. Let me know. Let me know what it is, and I get the video going, man. And next up, honestly, I think it's gonna be the video of me comparing the cat with the good old Scat Pack EV that's outside right now. So y'all stay tuned for that.